So, hello everyone. Thank you for having us here. We are the team InsuRIOT. We are happy to present the case provided by innogy on the digital twin for buildings. I'm going to present it to you with my colleague Alberto, and our team is also present. So, hello audience, hello jury, hello hosts. Good. The challenge that we are trying to solve is we're seeing that the 21st century is a data-driven century, right? And we know that there are industries out there which are not leveraging the opportunity to leverage data in our digital world. So especially we see that old dinosaurs insurances are not really data-driven to the potential that they could be. So we see the biggest risk for that industry to be disrupted by digital startups. And what we say is insurances need to jump on the datanomics. So what we have in mind, what we're going to develop is we are giving insurances the chance to combat with disruptors and the competition by leveraging digital information which is available by digital technologies that we have nowadays. So InsuRIOT is a service provider for insurances, providing a whole ecosystem of hardware devices and the according software data platform that gathers, analyzes, and stores data in a decentralized manner and unlocks the value for insurances using blockchain. Looking into what our solution is consisting of, we have 3 layers. We have the hardware layer, so we are providing IoT beacons that can be used along with our data platform, which is the service provider, gathering the data, analyzing it, and the marketplace where we are providing that data for insurances. So we are a B2B product. We are providing insurances a platform that they can use in order to access data to develop new data business model on top of it. We have one example, which is a mold insurance. Just imagine you have a beacon in your building, which is measuring humidity all the time. And you see patterns of data where humidity which is too high could lead to mold in your building. So if the insurers do know that, they can adapt the insurance that they are going to provide you, or by the end of a specific cycle, like by the end of the year, they can change the insurance conditions to increase your premium or reduce it based on the data that they can see from our platform. And we also have a prototype. That's where I'm handing over to Alberto to present that.
Cool, thank you. Yeah, so go to the next one. So you might need to squint your eyes a little bit to see the diagram, but in essence, this is a platform that we have implemented. So basically, we install sensors, which you see on the left-hand side, which capture data. We store all that data into IPFS, which is decentralized storage. That data gets fed into our smart contract infrastructure to validate against specific conditions that have been set up in the smart contract. So we have a quick UI that we can actually show. So this is an example of something that an insurance company could provide to their customers. So just by leveraging our data platform. So in essence, they can provide with several options for contracts, with conditions in terms of, in this case, temperature and humidity. The owner of the property would enter their details and just deploy the smart contract, gets the pop-up from MetaMask. Next step would be to associate the device that they have at home with the smart contract. That gets associated to the smart contract, hopefully. Yeah, we also provide with all the data services, so the insurers can provide with alerts to their customers. You can also check, obviously, the contracts once it gets executed, whether you get some of your money back.
All right, since we have 10 seconds left, thank you very much for listening to us and having us here. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.